The Icelandic horse came to Iceland with the Vikings 1,000 years ago. All Icelandic horses descend from the first ones that came over. And to protect the stock and prevent disease, it's illegal to import horses to Iceland. So if they leave, they never come back. The Icelandic horse is a so-called gated horse breed. The 2 extra gaits make them really sought after. While most horses have 3 gaits, the Icelandic one has 5. The 2 extra are called tölt and flying pace. These additional gaits are all natural and don't need to be trained. This guy's name is Aris, and he's an Icelandic horse. He's a strong but stoic stallion. Aris is on his way to Belgium with Icelandair cargo for a family reunion. Leaving is not just as easy as getting on a plane, though. Aris needs a passport before taking a flight. To get that, lots of information is needed. It sounds really simple to describe a horse thoroughly, but that's not necessarily the case. There's not only 1 color or 2 colors, but 40 different colors and up to 100 variations. His personality is also unique. The Icelandic horse is friendly, occasionally angry, but always strong and trusty. He can adapt to almost any weather and the harsh environment of Iceland. But why is Aris flying away? Well, Icelandic horses are very popular in Europe and North America. And in fact, more Icelandic horses live overseas than in Iceland. Icelandair cargo flies horses abroad every week of the year. And their journey is comfortable and smooth. Now you know a little more about the Icelandic horse, its 5 gaits, and how it represents the Icelandic spirit.